Yes, you heard me correctly. Get off your butt and come riding with me. I have to admit, we are so stiff and sore this morning. Nonetheless, we're here getting saddled up and we are looking forward to visiting the castle Radicofini. Well, today I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful that it will only be a few hours' ride up to the castle. And yes, there is another castle. Next to great food and making love, Italians obviously have a fondness for making castles. And definitely they have to defend them, which takes a lot of energy. And that's probably why Italy has such great food. Well, that's my theory, but I wouldn't quote me on this. Dushka is taking us up to a part of a hill, a plateau, that promises a beautiful view. To admit, though I'm a bit sore and tired, this feels wonderful. It's a perfect day, and even my horse Ambra is delighted just to go sightseeing. No stress. Look at this view. Far in the distance, that is the Castle Pocine, where we came from. It is amazing. It's amazing that we could travel that far in one day.
Il nome di questa valle si chiama Val d'Orcia. Si va fino da ora da adesso fino a Tuscany. È una valle più famosa in Italia. La valle della Val d'Orcia è bellissima, ma non è rassurante, no? Questo è bellissimo. Io penso io prima volevo portare la testa qui, poi per un po'
Well, we're approaching the castle, so let's learn something about it. The historical data of this place is a typical dry story. Built in the 900s, bought by an abbot in 975, enlarged by Pope Adrian IV in 1153, and all with the intent to stop the advances of Frederick Barbarossa. Okay, this is where the plot thickens. Frederick Barbarossa was a Holy Roman Emperor himself, and King of Germany, and the King of Italy, and he was declared emperor by, drum roll, none other than Pope Adrian himself. Yes, 2 years after taking over the castle. You know, the same castle he took over to stop him. Time for a little grass pause. Then tie up our horses, then we go explore, and then we're going to go do lunch. The Radicofani never ceased living up to its colorful history. History claims it is strategically positioned, that's clearly the case, that it dominated the Via Francescani route that we traveled yesterday, that in 1297 it became occupied by a gentleman bandit named Gino di Tacco. It is claimed that he is like an Italian version of Robin Hood. This castle was a compulsory stopover for pilgrims and travelers, but I'm struggling with exactly what does compulsory mean? I'm a bit troubled by any reference to a man pointing weapons at me while professing to be a gentleman. I believe I'm just a lady with boundaries. Furthermore, exactly how does a castle cease to be a center of power? How does it fall into ruin or just a shadow of its former glory? In closing, I really enjoy announcing that its present glory is the magnificent restaurant on its grounds where we will take our lunch. Pice. It is a Tuscan form of spaghetti-style pasta, hand-rolled and often served with a very fresh tomato sauce. It is one of my favorites here in the region. We also had handmade raviolis, salad, and beans, and a large choice of drinks, capped off with an espresso to get us on our way home. Back in the saddle, but we finished early today so we could get some much needed relaxation, lounging around the pool, just reading a book. We began our evening with some delightful hors d'oeuvres and a glass of wine, and then we capped off our day with an excellent meal. It's time to say goodnight. I hope you enjoyed this film and you will watch more videos. Please hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!